Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add icon set with the new rules in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to highlight the data with the icon. Simply select the column. So I select here the total column. Then go to the Home tab. In Styles group, click on the conditional formatting option. Then click on the icon sets option and here you can see last option is more rules. Just click on the more rules. Here you can see the new formatting rule dialog box is open. Okay. The first option selected, the select the rule type. So I select here the first one. Format all cell based on their values. Okay. Now edit the rules of description. The format all cell based on their values. Okay. Rule type. The format style icon set. Okay. So if you want to reverse the order of this icon, you can just click on the reverse order. You can see the icon is order is reversed. Okay, then icon style, if you want to change the icon style, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the different style of icon also. Okay, so I select this one. Okay, see here also icon style is changed. Okay, if you want to show only icon, you can click on this box. So here I want to show the amount also. Okay, amount with icon. Okay, if you want to show only icon, just click on this box. Okay, then display each icon accordingly to these rules. Okay, so icon number first. Okay, this icon, just click on this drop down arrow. You can choose here the different icon also. Again, here there are so many options available. So I select this one. You can see here also icon style is custom change. Okay, so I select this icon. When value is greater than is equal to 67, so you can edit this value. So I enter here greater than is equal to 200. Okay, when value is greater than is equal to 200, then icon will be display this one. Okay, type is a number, so I select here the number. So because in this data I have a number, so again I enter the 200 value. Icon number seconds. Again, you click on this drop down arrow. You can select here the different icon also. I just select this one only. Okay. When less than 200 and greater than is equal to value. Suppose I enter here. First I select here types numbers. Then I enter here the 100. Okay. Then for third icon, when is less than 100. Again, I repeat all these 3 points. See, when first icon display when value is greater than and is equal to 200. Okay. So in this selected column, you can see the where is a value is greater than and is equal to 200. The all value mostly is greater than 200. Only 150 is a not greater than 200, right? 150. It means this icon is applicable for all. Okay, next, when less than 200, less than 200 means 150 and greater than 100, okay, means 150. Okay, it means the second icon will be for 150 and third one when less than 100. So no one amount is available less than 100. Okay, so I just click on OK and see the changes. See, only two icons showing here. When I enter here less than 100, suppose I enter here 90 and just press the enter. See, the third icon also show the less than 100. So this is a way you can set the rules for icon. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.